It's important to know exactly how much a loan is going to cost you when borrowing money to know if it really fits in your budget. We have a payment calculator to help you with this. To get to our payment calculator, you'll want to start by going to oefederal.org. Next, click on Loans. Now you can click on the loan product you're interested in. Let's say we're needing a personal loan, so we'll want to click on Signature Loans. Click on the calculator link and scroll down to view the calculator. Here, you can change the loan amount to the amount needed. For example, if we need $10,000, simply delete the defaulted $7,500 or highlight it and type in the amount needed. If you already know what your rate would be, then type that in under Rate APR. If you only know the lowest and highest rates offered, then you can type in the lowest rate and then the highest rate to get a best case, worst case scenario on your payment. Just know that your payment should fall somewhere in between. Let's say the lowest rate is 9.24%. Review the details on the right and then type in the highest rate offered to compare. We'll put in 17.99%. Now you'll know the lowest payment and the highest payment with a 36-month term for a $10,000 loan example. The term, which is how long you're going to borrow the money, will also change your payment. You can see here, if we go with a longer term like 60 months, it'll lower the payment but increase the interest paid. Lastly, on the right, you can see your monthly payment, total interest paid, and the total payments, which is the loan amount plus the interest. Now, next time you need to borrow money, you'll be able to know exactly how much the loan will cost you before you borrow the money.